Have you ever wished to use all those expensive AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and more, completely free and without any limits? Well, in today's video, your wish is about to come true. Welcome to Vision Academy. In this tutorial, we will explore an incredible website that gives you access to multiple paid AI tools for absolutely free and without any restrictions. Everything is 100% legal, safe, and ready to use. And in this video, we will also learn how to generate AI voices, create stories, images, and even videos, all using a single platform. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for lmarena AI. Click on the official link that appears in the search results. You will be taken to the home page of the lmarena website. On the top right-hand side, click on the Login button. You'll see two options: Continue with Google or Continue with Email. You can choose either, but I'll go with Continue with Google as it's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, you'll enter the main dashboard of lmarena. Here, you can explore several AI tools integrated into one single place. You'll find popular tools like Google, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Qwen, and many others. This platform allows you to use these AI tools directly without needing separate accounts or subscriptions. Now look for the Battle drop-down menu at the top. Click on it and choose Direct Chat from the list. You'll now see a new interface where you can interact with different AI models side by side, or one at a time. Here you can check out multiple models available. I'll choose GPT-5 High for this demonstration. Now let's type in a prompt. I'll type, "Give me the moral story for kids." After typing the prompt, click on the Submit button. Within a few seconds, the AI will start generating a beautiful moral story for children. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds to complete the full story, so please be patient. Once the story is ready, we'll move to the next step. Now type another prompt. Give me the image prompts for each scene. Click the Submit button again. The AI will now generate detailed image prompts for every scene of the story. These image prompts will help you create perfect visuals for your story using image generation models. Since this tool is free, sometimes it may take a little longer to process, but the results are worth waiting for. Once the prompts are ready, copy the first prompt. Now, click again on Direct Chat and choose the Side-by-Side option. You'll see a new layout with multiple features. Below the text box, click on Generate Images. Here you will notice two drop-downs. In the first drop-down, select the Sea Dream model, and in the second drop-down, select the Gemini 2.5 model. Now, in the text box labeled Ask Follow-up, paste the image prompt you copied earlier. After pasting, click the Submit button to generate the image. lmarena will now use both models to generate images based on your prompt. You can now compare the quality of both images, Sea Dream and Gemini 2.5, side by side. Take a closer look at the details, colors, and artistic quality. If you like one of them, click on the three dots at the corner of that image and select the Download option to save it to your computer. Once downloaded, repeat the same process for the remaining prompts. Copy each new prompt, paste it into the text box, and generate all your images one by one. After creating all the images for each scene of the story, we will now move on to generating a video. Go back to the lmarena page and click on Join Discord. If you are not signed up yet, you'll need to follow a few simple steps to create your Discord account. It's completely free. If you already have Discord, Then just click on the Accept Invite button to join the lmarena community server. Once you're inside the Discord server, you will see different channels like Video Arena 1, Video Arena 2, and Video Arena 3. You can choose any one of these channels to generate your videos. I'll select Video Arena 1 for this tutorial. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a message text box. This is where you can type your commands. Type a / and choose the option Image to Video from the list. Now upload the image you downloaded earlier. Once the image is uploaded, go back to lmarena and copy the first image prompt you used before. Return to Discord and paste that prompt inside the prompt box. After pasting, hit Enter to generate the video. The AI will now start processing your image into a short video. This may take a few seconds or even a minute, depending on your image size and network connection. Once the video is generated, you'll see a preview link appear in the Discord chat. Click on the link to watch your newly generated AI video. If you like the video, click the download icon to save it to your computer. If you want to make another version, simply repeat the same process using your other images and prompts. By following this simple process, you can generate videos for every scene of your story. After downloading all videos, you can merge them using any free video editor to create a complete storytelling video. This is an amazing way to create animated story content, short films, or even educational explainer videos, all powered by free AI tools. Everything we did in this video, from generating text, images, and videos, was done using free and legal tools. And that's the real power of lmarena AI. It gives you access to multiple paid AI models in one place: ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, and more, without any subscription or API key. You can generate unlimited content, experiment with various AI models, and save hundreds of dollars every month. So that's how you can use this one single platform to access every paid AI tool for free, safely, legally, and without limitations. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in AI tools and content creation. Don't forget to subscribe to Vision Academy for more such tutorials where we explore powerful AI tools that help you create, automate, and innovate faster than ever before. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.